Imagine a device that seamlessly combines the functionalities of a smartphone, tablet, notepad, and even a desktop computer. A device that adapts to your needs, morphing effortlessly between form factors and revolutionizing the way you interact with technology. This is the promise of folding phones, and the Samsung Galaxy Fold stands at the forefront of this technological marvel. Today, we will emphasize the importance of app compatibility in optimizing the user experience. Understanding the Z Fold. The Samsung Galaxy Fold represents a remarkable fusion of smartphone and tablet functionalities. Its innovative design allows users to unfold the device and reveal a larger, tablet-like screen. However, this unique form factor also presents challenges in terms of app compatibility. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold is more than just a smartphone, it's a technological marvel. Its foldable display opens up a world of possibilities, providing users with a larger screen size for various tasks. When unfolded, the Galaxy Fold resembles a tablet, offering a spacious canvas for productivity, entertainment, and creativity. However, this unique form factor also presents challenges for app compatibility. The problem lies in achieving optimal app performance and functionality across different screen configurations, ensuring a seamless transition between folded and unfolded modes, but let us talk more on this next.
Oh yeah.
Foldable app optimization challenges. Foldable devices, such as the Galaxy Fold, have introduced a new era of smartphone innovation with their unique form factors and flexible displays. However, optimizing apps for these devices presents significant challenges for phone companies. Samsung, with its Galaxy Fold, faces hurdles such as adapting apps to unique form factors, ensuring app continuity, supporting multi-window environments, and navigating app fragmentation across models. For example, the Pixel Fold by Google also encounters challenges, including limited optimization of third-party apps and a conflict between landscape orientation and portrait-designed apps. Despite efforts, the number of fully optimized apps remains limited. These instances illustrate the ongoing need for improved app optimization. Both companies strive to deliver a seamless user experience on foldable devices. Kudos to Samsung for their remarkable app optimization efforts. Now, let's delve into 20 outstanding examples that showcase their exceptional work. Prior to that, ensure to subscribe to our channel for the latest content on technological devices. Z Fold optimized apps. Numerous apps available on the Play Store have shown good compatibility with the Galaxy Fold. However, there remains a necessity for optimizing these apps to fully utilize the distinctive layout and screen size of foldable smartphones. Samsung has made significant advancements in this regard, so let's explore some of the optimized apps. 20. YouTube. YouTube comes pre-installed on the Galaxy Fold and is highly optimized for the device. It displays two thumbnails side by side on the home and search screens, and when in landscape mode, it shows 3 thumbnails. It also supports flex mode, allowing you to close the device halfway and watch the video on the top half while viewing comments and suggestions on the bottom half. 19. Google Meet. The new Google Meet app works seamlessly on the Galaxy Fold. It supports flex mode, enabling you to fold the device in half and place it on a desk like a laptop, with video participants displayed on the top half and controls on the bottom half. 18. Microsoft Office. Office comes pre-installed on the Galaxy Fold and takes full advantage of the larger screen. While not specifically optimized for the Fold, it provides a better viewing experience with the full top menu and easy document editing. The Fold-specific S Pen enhances the Office apps like Word, Excel, and Spreadsheet. 17. Microsoft Teams. Teams is not specifically optimized for the Fold but offer a better layout compared to regular bar phones. It allows you to use a whiteboard on one half of the display while checking your teammates on the other half, and the S Pen Fold Edition enhances the whiteboard feature. 16. Google Calendar. The Google Calendar app works well on the Fold, especially in the month view layout. Although the apps menu and other views are not perfectly optimized for the Fold, the month view is the default and provides an excellent experience. 15. Google Maps. With the larger screen real estate of the Fold, Google Maps offers a more immersive and clearer map view. While it doesn't provide additional features, the optimized layout takes advantage of the Fold's 7.1-inch display. 14. Outlook. The Outlook app on the Galaxy Fold offers a superior experience compared to Gmail. It divides the home screen into two panes, with a list of emails on the left pane and email content on the right pane, resembling the desktop version. The calendar view is also adjusted for the Fold's layout. 13. Kindle. The Galaxy Fold serves as a great ebook reader, surpassing dedicated ebook readers like the Kindle. The 3:2 display ratio is perfect for reading ebooks, eliminating the need for continuous scrolling. The Fold's display is sharper and provides a more physical book-like experience. 12. Asphalt 9. Among the many games that work well on the Fold, Asphalt 9 stands out due to its optimized graphics and gesture-based controls. It offers a seamless gaming experience without the need to reach out for controls. 11. Spotify. Spotify is the only music streaming service optimized for the Fold. It features a sidebar on the left for easy navigation between menus, changing songs, and playback controls. 10. Microsoft To Do. For a to-do app on the Galaxy Fold, Microsoft To Do is a good option. Unlike other apps that expand their phone versions and create awkward layouts, Microsoft To Do provides a well-adapted interface with a list of tasks on one side and task details on the other. 9. Clip Studio Paint. With its support for the S Pen and customizable brushes, Clip Studio Paint is an optimized painting app for the Fold. It offers professional features like layers and stands out among other painting apps. Sketchbook is another good option that works well with the S Pen, although it may experience some lag. 8. Krita. Krita is a feature-rich sketching app exclusive to the Samsung Fold. It provides a great experience with the S Pen, although the smaller screen may affect the controls. Being free and open source, it's worth trying out. 7. Relay and Infinity. Instagram and Reddit are not well optimized for the Fold, making it challenging to view feed images quickly. Third-party Reddit clients like Relay and Infinity are recommended for their tablet-style layout. Boost for Reddit is also a viable option, with Relay offering a minimalistic look and Infinity providing material UI support. 6. Niagara Launcher. Most popular Android launchers do not work properly on the Galaxy Fold due to the changed layout. However, Niagara Launcher offers a unique solution by displaying apps in two separate lists, making it suitable for the Fold. 5. Talon for Twitter. Although the Twitter app on the Fold is not well optimized, Talon stands out among other Twitter clients due to its minimalistic user interface, resembling the native Twitter experience. 4. Duet Display. Utilize the Fold's large display by using it as a second screen for your laptop or desktop. Duet Display provides a lag-free experience and wireless connectivity. 3. Xbox Game Pass and GeForce Now. Instead of mobile games, explore mainstream desktop games on your Fold using services like xCloud and GeForce Now. These platforms allow you to play desktop games from the cloud, and some games even offer in-display controls or support external joysticks. 2. Adobe Acrobat Reader. The Fold works exceptionally well with PDFs, and Adobe Acrobat Reader provides all the necessary features for viewing and editing PDF files. You can sign PDFs, comment on them, and even scan physical documents to create PDFs. The app optimizes the layout for larger displays. 1. Fortnite, Call of Duty, and PUBG. Playing shooter games on the Galaxy Fold offers a significant advantage with a larger field of view. Games like Fortnite, Call of Duty, and PUBG are recommended for the immersive experience they provide on the Fold. The Samsung Galaxy Fold offers a range of optimized apps that take advantage of its unique foldable design. From video streaming and productivity tools to gaming and creative applications, these apps enhance the user experience and make the most of the larger screen size. Speaking of the Z Fold 5, we know this video does not exactly give you what to expect from it. But in our next video, we delve deeper into that.